Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing and review of these pluggable docking stations for laptops, desktops. This one here is the UD-6950Z, and I also have a UD-3900Z. If you look at both of them, you can mainly notice the one significant difference is on the lower end model you just have HDMI, where on the higher end you have a combination of HDMI and DisplayPort. So let's take a look at this one first, the higher end, which is the 6950Z. So you have the unit here, USB 3s on the front. Why I really like these docking stations is because it has the headphone, which is in and out, depending on if you want to do line in or just headphones out, which a lot of the USB 3 and Thunderbolt dongles don't have aux. DisplayLink. So DisplayLink's a kind of a technology where it's kind of a video card in here. So like if your laptop or desktop is not powerful enough to do another screen, this will provide that ability for you. You have your going to computer, your display 1 and 2, Ethernet, and 4 USB 3s power. So total of 6 USB 3s aux in the front. See what cables they included. The USB-C cable that goes to your computer. Hopefully that's the only one. Only cable that runs from this guy to your computer. That's kind of the whole point of these docking stations. You have, I guess the same import. You can basically go to regular USB instead of C. So you have the power, and that's kind of it. So they don't give you HDMI cables or DisplayPort cables. They're obviously giving you an option here if you want to go C or not, which is nice. So let's take a look at the other guy. This one here is the 3900Z. The unit here, 2 3s in the front, aux on the front as well, same as the other model, 2 HDMIs, and USB 2s. So you can kind of see the difference there. So 3s on the back, both have 3s on the front. So generally, if you don't need all that 3 power, and majority of your devices are 2, save the $30 or $40 and go with this option. If you really need DisplayPort or the extra 3s, the other one is probably better. Okay. Power cord and the 2 cables. So let's go ahead and try these out for a couple days, and I will report back. So at first glance, plugged it in via the USB-C port. Everything seems to be working first try without any issues. You see here how I got that to come up right away. Got the aux in, and then I have my Antlion Mod Mic wireless headset. So it seems to be working fine. That's lit up blue. The one thing I will say, just trying to set this up in an ad hoc way while I'm working here, this cable is really short, so you're gonna have to make sure that you do have your laptop or whatever right next to the dock, and the actual power cord's not that long either, a little bit longer than the USB-C cable, but yeah, cord length could definitely be improved. So essentially, when I'm not working at my desk, I'm normally sitting on my sofa with like some IT videos or some music in the background, taking conference calls and programming. That's why I thought these docks would be ideal. So I'm normally sitting on my sofa in the basement when I'm not at my desk. And I have this little tray thing for my laptop, and that's a Dell Precision. Going into the side, it charges with Thunderbolt Usbc. So this dock here, so far works well. I don't really have too much hooked up to it. I'll probably do like an Ethernet cord and fish it through, so I don't have to do wireless. But so these are the two cables it comes with on the left. These two, these are like probably 4 foot, and I did order a 6 foot cable, and honestly it makes a world of difference. If you're not going to keep your laptop right beside your dock, it does help a lot. But so far so good. I've had a week of this device, and it's pretty awesome, works well. The fact that they're all three is wicked. The fact that you have DisplayPort, like if you're, a serious gamer or have a serious monitor, or, want to take advantage of, stuff that's better than HDMI, normally you always go DisplayPort. And since the connection to the computer was, I'm not sure if that's USB-A or whatever that dongle is, it's fairly easy to get any compatible cable. And the two threes on the front and the headphones, yeah, so it works well. Awesome. Doesn't make a noise, even though it looks like there's a lot going on. It stands fairly sturdy. This cord's long enough, and the difference between this one, the higher end one, and the lower end, the only difference is that these ones on the back are USB 2 and the higher end one is USB 3. But so far, I think I'm okay enough now to recommend Plugable as a great third-party docking station solution. Like if you can't get the Dell or the Sony, if you have a Dell or Sony laptop, or and you just want to go third-party for your docking solution, these things are fantastic and a great price.